guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make, you already know that what we are going to make, so I don't want to waste your time. Wait, I just did. Anyways guys, so today we are going to make 3 types of colored sheet. First one is yellow, second one is orange and third one is blue. So without wasting much time, let's start making our first colored sheet, which is yellow. So let's go. For making our yellow colored sheet, we need 1 spoon of turmeric, add some glue, add some water and mix it until it becomes a paste. Now our yellow color is ready, so we have to just apply this on our paper. Now let it dry. Repeat the same process for the other side also. So guys, our yellow colored paper is ready and you can see that how beautiful it is. So now let's make our orange colored paper. Let's go. For this we need around 1 spoon of white glue, now add some food color in it. Now add 1 spoon of water and give it a good mix. Our orange color is ready. Now we have to just apply this on our paper. So guys, our orange colored sheet is ready. So before making our next sheet, it's time for the shout out. So today's video shout out goes to Khushbu and Priyanshi, Cute Crafts World and Shubhi's Craft World. For blue color, we need around half spoon of white glue, now add ink in it. Now add 1 spoon of water and mix it well. Now our blue color is ready, so just apply this on our paper. guys, now our blue color sheet is also ready. So guys, that's all about today's video, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to comment down that which sheet is your favorite, yellow, orange or blue. So till next video, bye.